Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust lighting and color with Nano Banana. Now, first I'll go and enable Nano Banana. So here I am on Gemini, a new chat. We click on tools, click on create images, just make sure 2.5 flash model has been chosen. And then we need to describe our image, right? So let me show you some prompts that I have. I'll leave in the description. For example, if you want to change the overall tone, right? Warm tones, you can use this one. For example, if you want specific object colors, you can change it using this. So I have more right here. You can go ahead and use, pause anytime. Of course, you can go to the description as well. So we'll use two, okay? So we'll go ahead and use this one. We'll make the red car into a deep sapphire blue. So we'll come back here. And what I am using, let me show you this muscle car. Okay, we'll just go ahead and drag and drop it right here. Enter that prompt. Of course, you can do any color you wish. This is just an example. It's just a natural language model. So you just go ahead and use natural language and it will understand, right? Let's use this one for the light source. So we'll copy this. We'll come back to Gemini, paste it in, and hit submit. Now give it a few seconds and let's see the final product. All right, look at this. That is a really good job. Let me download the full size and open it up for you and show you what it now looks like. Really, really well done. Really that easy, and that is how to adjust lighting and color with Nano Banana.